Come to question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Take pi equal to 3.14. See the solution. Here let us find out how much area the sprinkler can cover the garden. Area covered by the sprinkler it is given by pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 into radius. It is 12 meter. 12 into 12 meters square. Now solve this. You will get 452.16 meter square. Now area of circular flower garden. Area of circular flower garden it is 314 meters square. If we compare these two areas, what we observe? The area of circular flower garden is less than area covered by sprinkler. It means the sprinkler water the entire garden. The sense area of circular flower garden is smaller than the area covered by sprinkler. Therefore, the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Now come to question number 15. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circle shown in the adjoining figure. Take pi equal to 3.14. See the solution. Here radius of outer circle it is 19 meter. Let us take it as capital R. Therefore, circumference of outer circle equal to 2 pi r. Put the value of pi r, you will get 2 into value of pi is 3.14 into capital R, it is 19 meter. Solve this, you will get 119.32 meter. Now radius of inner circle equal to 19 minus 10. 19 meter minus 10 meter equal to 9 meter. Therefore, circumference of inner circle equal to, let us take this radius as a small r, it will be 2 pi r equal to 2 into 3.14 into 9 meter square equal to 56.52 equal to 56.52 meter square. This is your answer. Now come to question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. See solution of question number 16. Here radius of wheel equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore distance covered by wheel in one revolution it is equivalent to circumference of circle or wheel It is equivalent to 2 pi r. Put the value of pi and r. Pi and 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius 28 centimeter. Here cancel the terms. 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja. Multiply this, equal to 176 centimeter. Total distance equal to 352 meter. Convert it into centimeter. It will be 352 into 100 centimeter. Therefore, number of revolutions equal to total distance equal to 352 into 100 upon 176. Here cancel this. 176 1 ja, 176 2 ja, 352. Multiply it. You will get 200 revolutions. Therefore, the wheel must rotate. The wheel must rotate 200 times to go 352 meter. Now come to question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand moves in 1 hour? Take pi equal to 3.14. So say solution of question number 17. In 1 hour, minute hand completes 1 round. Means makes a circle. Now radius of circle equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into 3.14 into radius 15 centimeter. Multiply this, you will get 94.2 centimeter. Therefore, the tip of the minute hand moves 94.2 centimeter in 1 hour. Thank you.